How you doing? Well, this is the homestead. Nice. Nice, huh? Nice clear day. There's some of the damage. And I just want to thank everyone that sent good energy over here. This is where I was nailing on. Actually, I came up here when it was like 60 miles an hour. And if I hadn't gotten up here, I'd probably lost way more. But I'm really, really grateful that I only lost these few. Because see, here's all my nails right here that I was up here trying to get back in when this all was going down. And these face nails here, right here, this was, if I hadn't got back up here, I'd have lost this whole section right up over in here. And I jumped up in here earlier. Anyway, I'm just grateful. My neighbor, she kind of lost her fence a little bit. The fence was never set up for wood over a cyclone. She should have got the privacy slats. Anyway, yeah, we got a really good day. It's kind of it's weird. It's a real thick cloud. Does that look like a cube, you guys? What's going on? See the orange in behind it. Check out the orange in behind it. Anyway, I gotta get busy, guys. We're expecting, they say some moisture and stuff to come in, and I want to get going. But, and I'm gonna be busy fixing this today. Wish you guys the very best, and take care.